hope you all are doing good. Well, before we start our topic, I want to ask you a question. Do you judge people? Or are you afraid of doing what you like to do or stand for your truth because you are scared that people will judge you? Well, the thing is, they will judge you anyway. It doesn't matter you are a good or a bad person. They will judge every single time because that's how it works. Because we are a three-dimensional people, we live in a three-dimensional world and we are taught to judge others since we are kids. Our parents, our grandparents, our teachers, our society do the same thing and we repeat that cycle. And it's kind of, we think we care for others, that's why we judge. But the truth is, it's our perception. Not that they are doing something wrong, but because we have imagined a character of them in a particular way that if they are taking some other decisions than we are used to. For example, take a people pleaser. A people pleaser always do what people like to make them happy because they are kind. But if that person takes a decision for herself or himself, then we start judging them. Then how that people can do that? That's bad. That's not bad. That person is not bad. That's your perception about them. So the thing is, if someone is doing something that's make them happy, if they are doing something that they're enjoying and that isn't harming anyone or hurting anyone, then it's not your cup of tea to judge them. If you can't encourage them, then just let it go. But don't judge them and discourage them. Because we never know what battle they are battling, right? What kind of struggles they are having in their life. Sometimes people are too afraid to do what they love because they are afraid that people will judge you. Most of the time we are afraid that what our loved ones will think about us if we do certain things. But did you ever imagine maybe if we take that path that can lead to a successful life and most importantly a happy life, right? Well, before judging others, just understand that we can have different opinions. You can see when we discuss about something with the peoples and they disagree with us, we say it's okay, and when we are disagreeing. But then behind their backs we talk that they have bad mindsets or they are bad persons, like because they are not agreeing with us, not because they are wrong. We all have different perspectives, we all have different opinions, and that's fine. We get angry, we behave in a manner that they are bad because it doesn't satisfy our ego self. Our ego doesn't allow us to understand or accept that other people can have different opinion than us. If we believe in something, we think that's right, and if someone else is disagreeing with us, they has to be wrong. Affect not only you but your relationships too, because our ego doesn't allow us to accept that every one of us can have different opinions, right? Well, we all are different. We all human beings have different mindsets. We grown up in different circumstances. Some are awakened, someone can do research on something and then say something. Well, we all do our research in different manner, different patterns, and then we disagree with each other, and that's okay. We all have different opinions. If we can't agree with each other, at least we can respect each other's disagreements. If we have different opinions, then it's okay. You should understand their opinion too. When you level up your consciousness, when you're in a higher consciousness, you will understand. If you have disagreement with others, if you are not agreeing with others, you will understand that maybe that person who is not agreeing with you They are seeing things in a different perspective as you are. So it's perfectly alright. But don't go behind their back and say bad things about them. But just because they are disagreed with you and they have different opinions. Because all of us are allowed to have different opinions. But as I said before, our ego mind doesn't allow us to do that. As we are in a three-dimensional planet, we are not allowed to see in a bigger perspective. We are not allowed to push our limited beliefs and the way we taught, the way the society taught us. Most of the people nowadays, or from always, I should say that, from always, we are taught to understand and believe what most of the people are saying. We are like, if most of the people are doing this, if media is saying this, and most of the people are agreeing with this, then this is the truth. But sometimes we should go beyond what we taught, right? Like, if most of the people are saying something and agreeing in something, that doesn't make it right or the truth. That's why we should do research. And then when someone is going and saying something that doesn't match the society mindset, we call them crazy. We call them, they have bad mindset, they are the rebellious persons and sort of things. But the truth is, we are kind of afraid that they are pushing their limited beliefs, and our ego is afraid that how they can pushing their limited beliefs and thinking beyond the illusions, right? But at least if you are not understanding this, you can respect each other. In this world, if you can't support someone, you should not discourage or make fun of them. Alright? The most important and valuable thing that's human have is kindness and humanity that we are losing day by day. So I'm just saying, most of the people I saw, and you can see in many countries, even in India, people are waking up nowadays and standing for their own rights, standing for their beliefs and their truth. They're speaking their truth, and it's very hard for them if they are not getting support from their family. But some courageous soul have that courage in them, that they are so strong that they are still doing what they believe in, and I support them. I totally support them. And I think we all, if we can't agree with each other, at least we can respect each other, what we believe and what we do. If someone is doing something that they love or they believe in, and if that thing doesn't hurting anyone, then let them do that. Okay, you don't need to understand everything. If they are doing that and that's make them happy, just respect their decisions. And I just want to say that every single human in this earth has the right to take their own decisions, and the other person, their fellow beings, should not get angry with their decisions because they are taking their own decisions. Because it's just our ego, not we, right? We are trapped in an ego mindset. When we break through that ego mindset, we can see the things that we respect each other's. We start respecting our souls, our decisions, because your respect and your support means a lot to your loved ones. So, hope this video helps you and you get courage to stand for your truth, stand for your freedom, and do whatever you like. Because remember one thing, no matter what you are doing is right. If you think it's right and you are having fun doing that, and it's not harming anyone or hurting anyone, then it's perfectly alright. Let them judge you. Let them say things behind your back, because that's what people do, right? You don't need to care. You just need to do what you love, because it's your life and you deserve better. Alright, hope this video helps you, and see you in the next video. Lots of love and light to you. Bye.